Okay, that's a way to start a video. So, I'm just cleaning the truck. You can see this one side compared to that side. Got to get this board out of here. I'm going to start sanding down the inside, replacing the panels. Yeah. I got to order the floorboard. Actually, I'll show y'all. Look at this thing. Boom. Hole right through the floor. It's not bad. It's just pretty much right there on it. So take out these mats that go all the way across. Saw out that part of the floor. Weld in a new floor panel. Board. Caving in. Got my 2 helpers with me today. So she's still going around. She won't let me touch the power washer anymore.
No, you hurt yourself.
Wow. She's going around finishing outside, going around doing the inside. I'm trying to clean out the floorboard so we can get that stripped out. It'll be good to go. But right now, I'm not doing anything like power-wise. Like right now, I'm just fully restoring. Gonna get a new seat, but I gotta. The what?
The mirror.
Dirty. But gonna take this out, put a new one, new cover. Wow, so aggressive.
Well, I said you didn't move.
She didn't really want to do this at first, and now like she's got into it. So
That's because I know all this shit is gonna happen anyways, so I might as well.
Cupcake.
Cupcake knocked all our water off.
I don't know if I'm gonna do new doors or restore these, but you can see like on the bottom in some place it's rusting through. But I might be able just to patch that, paint it, get new panels for it, and be good to go there. So actually starting to restore this thing and
Soaking wet from the car wash.
get it back to its natural beauty. So I had to bandage my finger and I just put a glove on so nothing gets in here. So yeah, your boy ain't got no insurance. Nah. But yeah, that thing's. Yeah, she did. She did do the rest of the truck. Appreciate you. But yeah. But gotta go on the inside now. But yeah, truck drew first blood. Fuck you.
I'm out of breath and I can't feel my fingers.
So got all this fully done. Cleaned off the inside a good little bit. Yeah. I'll do the back. Got more stuff on the way for that. Yeah. I got too much shit to get done. We got this part of the hood. Before.
You mean
before, after. Yeah. Looks good. Yeah. It's gonna be nice and pretty. Go ahead, act up.